Entry Doors Pasadena TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. With a variety of options available, including fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, and wooden front doors, residents can choose the perfect fit for their style and budget. Custom entry doors in Pasadena offer a personalized touch, ensuring that your entryway stands out. Front door replacement in Pasadena, Texas, is essential for maintaining the safety and aesthetic of your home. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient doors or seeking a new design, front door replacement services in Pasadena provide a wide range of options. From traditional wooden front doors to modern steel entry doors, there's a solution for every homeowner. Door repair services in Pasadena TX are vital for addressing issues such as door frame repair, door hinge replacement, and door threshold repair. These services ensure that your doors function properly and maintain their appearance. Door repair services in Pasadena also include door glass replacement and door weatherproofing to enhance energy efficiency. Entry doors. Pasadena are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient doors. Pasadena options include fiberglass entry doors and steel entry doors, both known for their insulating properties. Fiberglass entry doors in Pasadena, Texas, offer durability and low maintenance. These doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and rust, making them an excellent choice for the humid climate of Pasadena. Fiberglass entry doors. Pasadena options come in various styles and finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their entryway. Steel entry doors in Pasadena TX provide superior security and strength. These doors are ideal for homeowners seeking enhanced protection against intruders. Steel entry doors. Pasadena options are available in a range of designs, ensuring that you don't have to sacrifice style for security. Wooden front doors in Pasadena offer a classic and timeless look. These doors can be customized with various stains and finishes to match your home's exterior. Wooden front doors Pasadena options are perfect for those who appreciate the natural beauty and warmth of wood. Door hardware installation in Pasadena TX is an essential service for ensuring the functionality and security of your doors. From locks and handles to hinges and door closers, door hardware installation, Pasadena TX services cover all aspects of door functionality. Entry doors, Pasadena maintenance. Texas is crucial for prolonging the life of your doors. Regular maintenance services include door sealing, door painting services, and entry door refinishing. Entry door maintenance. Pasadena, Texas ensures that your doors remain in top condition. Door frame repair in Pasadena is necessary for addressing structural issues that can affect the performance of your doors. Whether it's due to wear and tear or damage, door frame repair. Pasadena services provide the necessary fixes to restore your door's functionality. Storm doors in Pasadena TX offer additional protection against harsh weather conditions. These doors are installed in front of your entry door to provide an extra layer of defense. Storm doors. Pasadena TX options include various styles and materials to suit your needs. Patio doors in Pasadena, Texas, are a great way to connect your indoor and outdoor spaces. Sliding entry doors. Pasadena options are popular for their space-saving design and ease of use. Patio doors. Pasadena, Texas come in various materials, including glass and fiberglass. Door security upgrades in Pasadena, TX, are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their home's safety. These upgrades include advanced locking systems, reinforced door frames, and security screens. Door security upgrades. Pasadena TX services provide peace of mind for residents. Entry door design in Pasadena, Texas, allows homeowners to create a unique and personalized entryway. From choosing the right materials to selecting the perfect color and finish, entry door design. Pasadena, Texas services help bring your vision to life. Door weatherproofing in Pasadena is important for protecting your home from the elements. This service includes sealing gaps and cracks to prevent drafts and moisture intrusion. Door weatherproofing. Pasadena services ensure that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Door painting services in Pasadena, TX, offer a fresh look for your entryway. Whether you're updating the color or restoring the original finish, Door Painting Services Pasadena TX provide professional results. This service is perfect for enhancing your home's curb appeal. Entry Door Consultation in Pasadena, Texas provides expert advice on selecting the right door for your home. From material selection to design considerations, Entry Door Consultation. Pasadena, Texas services guide you through the decision-making process. Door glass replacement in Pasadena is necessary for repairing damaged or outdated glass panels. This service enhances the appearance and energy efficiency of your doors. Door glass replacement Pasadena options include various styles and types of glass. Entry door accessories in Pasadena, TX, add the finishing touches to your entryway. From decorative door knockers to stylish house numbers, entry door accessories, Pasadena TX options enhance the overall look of your home.